Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to Living on the Hedge. Very happy to see you here. Today I want to welcome you for a very special cruise that I was waiting for quite some time. This is one of my favorites because I really like the crossings, and this is the Transatlantic crossing from Rome to Miami for 2 weeks, 30 nights, but almost 2 weeks on Explorer of the Seas. This time I'm staying with actually my parents, who I invited over to this cruise. I'm very happy and very excited for them being here. And this time we got the junior suite. I am excited because I did stay in the junior suites on Royal Caribbean, not on this class of ships. So it's very exciting to see how this goes. So far, I'm pretty excited about it. So without further ado, let me take you, as always, for the tour around the room. Alrighty, so as always, let's begin with the entrance to the room, and I will show you where the room is located. As you can see, it's where the red dot is, so it's deck number 9 right there in the middle. Hopefully, if there's rough seas on this crossing, hopefully it will make it easier just because it's in the middle. But yeah, this is the entrance, and let me take you a little bit back. As you can see, when you enter, you have 2 doors. One of them will lead you to the bathroom. Another one will take you to the walk-in closet. And you, of course, have this mirror with some storage shelf over here. 2 hooks, very useful. Right in the entrance if you want to store your bags, hats, or whatever. And as you can see, this is the junior suite. Now the decoration that you see over here, it's actually for my dad. It's his birthday today on the boarding day, so I was trying to surprise him, so you can see how that looks like. So we have some decoration hanging on this side, some tile here for your pictures that you make to make this memorable. So yeah, let's take a look around. We have the bed on here, this side, and this, of course, what they call the Royal King. Of course, this can be split should you need to do that. You have the sitting area with 2 armchairs, a pull-out couch. This time, this is going to be my bed. Very excited to see how that goes because I haven't used couches for a very long time. But I'm very excited to have my parents here, and honestly, this is worth everything. So as you look around, it feels very spacious. The decor is very similar to, I would say, standard balcony room, but it's much more spacious. We have this vanity on this side with mirrors. Again, on the mirror, we have the decor that for the birthday package. We have some waters here that I pre-ordered just to make sure that we are hydrated for the duration of the cruise. Hi, guys. And this vanity is actually continuing here to an additional space, which is kind of like a working desk, or maybe if you need to do anything, I don't know, I guess you can use it for whatever you want. Let's take a look now into the storage. So first of all, over here, we have this tall cupboard with some shelving, so plenty of storage there. And then, of course, as always, we have some storage on the sides of the mirror. We have one similar on this side as well. We, of course, have shelves underneath the desk here. Your fan, I would believe it would be somewhere here. Yeah, this is your hair dryer. You have a European outlet out here. You have 2 US outlets right there. Some storage over here in addition. Napkins that they provide you with. This is your TV. I'm guessing this is our cruise director. So hi. And over here we have some more space for storage. It's pretty spacious over here. Above the TV, we have some additional storage. And your safe. This is one of those smaller size safes. It's very useful for your wallets, or if you have some jewelry that you would like to keep in. It's not unfortunately big enough for your laptop. Still very useful. As I said before, of course, this is your desk. Probably will have to do some editing right here. It's very convenient. My favorite, we have the espresso machine. So in the morning, I don't have to go anywhere. I don't need to order room service. I have my espresso right here. Of course, we have some more storage in here. And below the espresso machine, we have the fridge. Which side we open in? This side we open in. Yep, your fridge. I do want to mention, because this is something that's been asked several times, there's regular coffee, there's decaf, and there's some variety of teas here, which you can also kind of dispense hot water from this espresso maker. So yeah, let's take a look again at the room from this angle. Feels very spacious. I like that they have the extra 2 armchairs here. Now, one thing that I really like, let's look at this door. And in here, we have a walk-in closet. My parents and I were making jokes that maybe I should ask them to put some bed inside of this one and make it as a separate sleeping area. I do not recommend it. It was just a joke, but it's very, very spacious. So you have some shelving here. There's 3 bathrobes that we got. You have some additional option to hang something there if you want, because those things are going down, of course. And plenty of space over here. Yep, so this is your walk-in closet. And now let's take a look at the bathroom. So this is your bathroom, your toilet, of course, your vanity. Hi guys again, we have some storage here, 1 on each side. Yep. And what I do like is this one has a tub. Yeah, so no tiny corner showers. We have a tub in here, and you have a little bit more upgraded amenities. Instead of having the all-in-one, we have the shampoo, soap, and conditioner. Yep, so this is your bathroom. Now, of course, last but never least, and one of my favorite spots on the cruise ship, is just to watch the ocean from my private balcony. On this ship, the balconies are a little bit different because the glass doesn't go all the way to the floor, and some like it, some less. However, I personally feel that it gives this privacy feeling. So you feel like you basically own your own closed balcony and you have a lot of privacy, because even the side walls, they go all the way up and there is no space to the other balcony next to you. Let me take you outside. Feels very spacious. We have 2 chairs here that can be reclined back. A dining table. Perhaps we'll do some breakfast here. Yeah, very, very spacious. And of course, this is the view. Nothing beats the ocean view. And we have a friend here. Hello, friend. So yes, friends, this was the tour of the Junior Suite on Explorer of the Seas. I quite like it. I'm very, very happy. I have my espresso this time, and I have the 2 weeks with my coffee, and I don't need to go anywhere or ask for anything. It's not a filter coffee, it's an espresso. Love it. I love the size of the balcony. I love the space. I'm pretty sure that for 3 people, or maybe even 4, it's more than enough. It's of course not as spacious as your higher end suite like Owner or Royal and things like that. That being said, it's entry level of the suites. We had a very nice boarding process. You get your espresso machine once again. You get your double points, which is awesome. And you have your spacious bathroom. So I hope you like it. I hope you consider for the next trip you take one of those. And of course, if you have comments, questions, requests, as always, don't hesitate to post those and I'll be happily answer those. As always, please subscribe. It does help me to promote my channel and do my work better. And I'm very happy to see you here. Until next time, I'm your Hedge.